Welcome. Today we will be going through an adaptation of question 6 of the Maclaurin Olympiad 2010. I want to write a string of A's and B's with 11 letters in total. However, none of the strings can have more than 2 consecutive letters of the same kind. How many such strings can I form? Please pause the video here and have a think about the problem on your own before proceeding to the hints and solutions. Hint number 1. Have a look at the possibilities for the first few letters. Hint number 2. How do the previous letters affect the possibilities for the upcoming digits? Hint number 3. After a while, you will notice a pattern. Can you prove this pattern? Solution. For the first 2 letters, the possibilities are AA, AB, BA, and BB. For the first 3 letters, the possibilities are AAB, ABA, ABB, BAA, BAB, and BBA. For simplicity, we will label strings with the same last letters 00, so for example AA and ABB, and the ones with different last letters 01, so for example BA and ABA. Then each time we have a 00 string, we have one option for the next letter, giving us a 01 string. So for example for AA, we will have to have AAB. When we have a 01 string, we have 2 options. One will result in a 00 string and the other a 01 string. So for example, we have AB, we can have ABB and ABA. Now we are going to record how many strings we have of a certain length as the following. The first number will be the number of 01 strings, and the second the number of 00 strings. And then to find the total, we can just add these up. So when we have 2 letters, we have 2 01 strings, AB and BA, and 2 00 strings, AA, BB. Now, as we discussed in the slide before, the number of ways we get 01 strings would be the total, because for each 00 string, we get a 01 string, and for each 01 string, we get a 01 string. Now, the only way we can get a 00 string is through the 01 strings. So we would expect for 3 letters, 4 and 2. And then we keep going. For 01, we get 4 plus 2 is 6. And for 00, it will be 4. And then we keep going. And now for 11 letters, we would get 110 plus 68 and 110. And so the total possibility of such strings would be 178 plus 110, which is 288. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to drop a comment in the comments down below. Goodbye.